Kissing a girl in the right way, passionate and romantic, will make her melt and don't want to leave you. Using the right kissing techniques on the right spots can send shivering chills down her spine, and she feels unable to resist the temptation. Women are drawn to males who make an attempt to initiate a conversation, demonstrating initiative and it's important for guys to first comprehend the fundamentals of how to kiss a female in a way that is so passionate and romantic she'll never want to leave when it comes to learning what it takes to make a woman fall in love with you. The perfect kissing methods applied to the proper areas of a woman's body might cause her to tremble. A woman's body is a magnificent creation, so while kissing a lady, be mindful of her body language and approach her in a way that makes her feel powerless to resist the urge. How do you approach a girl for a kiss? Generally speaking, the most important thing to remember before kissing a female is to have fresh breath. Make sure you are sober when you kiss a female for the first time. Prior to the kiss, brush your teeth. If you're not at home, have some mint gum or breath mints on available. Here are the greatest advice for giving a girl a really good kiss. Beware, she could fall in love and possibly never want to leave due to the strength of these approaches. 1. Retain her hand. This creates chemistry between the two of you. She will feel a small pitter-patter in her heart as a sign that you are being passionate and loving with her, leaving her wanting more. 2. Squeeze her back. A small touch on her back for a few seconds can assist the lady realize that you are paying attention to her. When you open the door for her, lean over to see whether she's having fun, or simply open the door for her in a casual manner. 3. Tell her you think she's gorgeous. Although you shouldn't overdo it, you should surely tell her when the occasion calls for you that she is beautiful. 4. Observe her eyes while grinning. Put your hand behind her neck gently, look her in the eyes, and softly lean in for this kiss. Allow yourself to be patient and kind, perhaps even taking her lead. Leaning in together, you both begin to close your eyes before giving her a gentle, long kiss. If you want to be a little daring, I would suggest you even bite your lip a bit as you do. 5. Attract her focus. You need the appropriate environment and, most crucially, consent before you may kiss a female on the first date or after you've come to know her. In order to ensure that the two of you can connect through eye contact when you are speaking with her, command and attract her attention and stare into her eyes. 6. Start off gently. Make careful to start off gently and avoid using your tongue immediately away when you kiss a female. Take it easy and slowly kiss her, incorporating some passion into your smooth and delicate kisses. 7. Avoid biting, groaning, or being combative during kissing. Just keep in mind to be kind while enjoying some passionate kissing. Remember to be in the present and follow each other's lead while utilizing your tongue. How sensual you can be is more important than how outlandish your tongue can go. 8. Stay off your tongue. The tongue is typically off limits during a first kiss. To test whether she opens her lips wider for a French kiss, you may try gliding your tongue down her bottom lip. 9. Play up physical closeness. You should move your hands while kissing her, stroking her body, touching her hair, and caressing her face, the side of her face, the back of her head or neck, and the center or lower region of her back are all secure areas to rest your hands. 10. Give her a neck kiss. If you've previously been affectionate with each other, try casually hugging her when she's in front of you and giving her a kiss on her bottom lip. This is a sensitive area for many women, especially the back of her neck. Next, move her hair to the other shoulder and give her a soft, gentle peck on the back of her neck. Continue doing this, and more likely than not, she will be dying to turn around and lay on you. "11. Smooch her ears. Just as you begin to carefully kiss her there, whisper something lovely in her ear. This is crucial. Don't slobber on her ear. Being gently, kissing the outside, and inhaling lighting, which can be a major turn-on for many women, are all important. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.